Hello everyone, Tony Ice again, here with Heart to Heart with Tony. Today I have Austin Budreau.
Hello.
Who are you?
Well, again, I'm Austin Budreau. I'm a local State Farm agent. I own Budreau Insurance and Financial Services here in Angola. In addition to that, I also own some residential, commercial, and agricultural real estate properties that I rent out, and also like to volunteer locally in my community.
Well, yeah, like where do you volunteer?
Well, I'm on the board of the Chamber, local Angola area Chamber of Commerce. I am also on the board for the United Way, participate in the Rotary Club of Angola and Lakes Advisory Board, among some of them.
So how long have you been an agent?
I've been a State Farm agent for a little over 6 years, but I've worked in the insurance industry for over 12 years. And then in addition to that, some of the real estate dabbling that I get into, my wife and I have been working with for about 6 years.
Fantastic. So one thing that people that know you or don't know you might be surprised to learn. What would that be?
Well, on the professional side, there are over 19,000 State Farm agencies, and in my particular agency, we are the only State Farm agency that is licensed in Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio, so I can service customers in all 3 states. On the personal side, I'm proud to share that I participate each year, and this year was the 12th annual 38-mile Buckethead Barefoot Endurance Race, in which my team, we got first 2 years ago.
So what you're saying is you got a couple screws loose and you run barefoot.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Well, this is barefoot water skiing, so
there you go.
They're really loose screws.
Fantastic. So, to the heart of it, what are some common questions that people getting insurance should know?
Well, some of the most common questions that I receive are, do I have enough insurance or do I have too much insurance? And I don't really believe that there's such thing as cookie cutter coverage. So what I like to do is ask some open-ended questions about what it is that you have, what your expectations are for an insurance policy, and just go with the amount of protection that you need is the type of policy that I'd like to provide. And for most people, at the end of that short conversation, they're very surprised that it's something that they've never experienced before with another agent. And in my experience, it's much easier to have that conversation before a claim were to occur as opposed to later on after you experience a loss.
Once it hits the fan, you're done.
Exactly.
So what's the difference between replacement cost and actual cost?
Actual cash value?
Correct.
Actual cash value and replacement cost are two very basic differences between policies, because no two policies are really created equally. All policies have different limits, things that are covered, things that are not covered. On actual cash value, you are receiving coverage for things taking into consideration the age of what's being covered, your home or piece of property, as well as the condition of such. Whereas the replacement cost is going to take into account, say you have a 42-inch TV that's old, kind of beat up and used, that gets zapped by lightning. We're going to replace that 42-inch TV with a brand new one with replacement cost.
Fantastic. So, do you have any suggestions for somebody that's buying a home for the first time or buying a car for the first time to kind of help guide them?
Sure. Well, the thing that I tell my team all the time is there's no such thing as a silly or stupid question. So whether you're a first-time home buyer, seasoned veteran of the real estate industry, if you're just not sure about what's covered because things are constantly changing, that's where experts like your insurance agents come into play. So if you're not sure, ask an agent. If you don't have an agent, feel free to reach out to me. I'm right here in Angola, and I'd be happy to help.
Well, Austin, I want to say thank you for coming today. I appreciate your time.
Absolutely, Tony. Anytime.
Have a great day. Thank you very much for joining us today on our videos. I appreciate that. We're going to try to be doing these on a weekly basis. look forward to helping, giving information that might be beneficial to someone or anybody that watches these. If you have any questions or would like to learn more information or have questions about anything else that you'd like me to interview, please feel free to reach out to me at Tony Isa at remax.net. Again, Tony Isa at remax.net. Thank you very much.